Tuni khwa hi exercise 10.2 question number 8 na pa na bal pan yu complete yu hetain tu masanga chom khat hong ki bolo ni chu hele ta sa dam mon ne khat kan ya chom khat ne khongai o hin ne thim hitin ta pana hong ki bol jom pe ki deng hetain tuni khwa question number 8 chon amang amang paging ta te in a right triangle PQR right angle at Q. Okay, right triangle PQR, I mean, let us draw. This is a right triangle PQR. Right angle at Q means 90 degree in a to Q, and PQR. PR minus PQ equal to 1 centimeter and QR equal to 5 centimeter. Find the value of sin R, cos R, and tan R. Answer. In right triangle PQR, we are given PR minus PQ equal to 1 centimeter and QR equal to 5 centimeter. In this right triangle PQR, right angle at Q, we are given QR equal to 5 centimeter and PR minus PQ equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, these two is given. Let's write down. Okay, if you have right triangles, we can use Pythagorean relation. Now PR square will be equal to PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Pythagorean relation cho hin ane cha hin eho a PR hu PR minus PQ equal to 1 ati hi dan ga ki bole PR minus PQ means if you want to find PR equal to 1, if you transpose this PQ, minus sign will become plus sign. What's your PR now? PR means 1 plus PQ. Now instead of writing PR, we can write 1 plus PQ now. 1 plus PQ whole square will be equal to, what is PQ? Not given. PQ square plus QR means 5 square. Okay, now A plus B square. A square so 1 square means 1. A square plus twice A, this is your B, twice AB plus B square means PQ square equal to PQ square plus 5 square. 1 plus 2, 1 is 2. 2 into PQ is 2PQ plus PQ square equal to PQ square plus 5 are 25. We can cancel these two. And now 2PQ, these 2PQ will be equal to 25. And this plus sign will become now minus, and 2PQ equal to 24. Therefore PQ equal to 24 by 2 means 2 1 is 2, 2 2 are 4, that is 12 centimeter. Now we don't get PQ equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, can we find out PR now? We know that PR equal to 1 plus PQ. Okay, let's find out here. Now we don't know PR, so let us write PR equal to, we know that PR equal to 1 plus PQ, so 1 plus, what is PQ? 12. 1 plus 12 means 13 centimeter. Okay, PR will be 13 centimeter. Okay, if you know the value of adjacent side, opposite side, and hypotenuse, you can find the value of sine R, cos R, and tan R easily. Okay, therefore, what is sine R? Sine R means you have to take this angle. This will be your base. This will be your perpendicular. Now, some people have your perpendicular will be 12 by hypotenuse. No change. The sine R means 12 by 13. Therefore, cos R means curly brown here. Base will be 5 by hypotenuse, never change. And what is tan R? Tan R will be equal to tan permanently black. Perpendicular will be 12 and your base will be 5. 12 by 5. This is your answer. Express cos theta, tan theta, and sec theta in terms of sin theta. Okay, we are going to solve this question number 9. Before we are going to solve this question number 9, let us learn this formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 means sin square theta will be equal to sin square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta equal to 1. I assume this one. And this plus will become minus if you transpose cos square theta. Okay, we are going to find cos now. Cos square theta equal to 1. And this plus will become sin minus sin square theta. We have 3 formula, 1, 2, 3. We derive 2 formula. Now, okay, let us solve. This is Pythagorean relation. Okay, let us solve. Answer. We know that all we have cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. We can keep this plus sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can interchange because of addition plus. There is no effect. So now, we are going to express this cos theta in terms of sin theta. Okay, we are going to find the relation between this cos theta and sin theta. We are going to express it. So, cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This cos theta will be equal to 1 minus sin square theta. More left tan theta. Tan theta means, what is the relation between tan theta and sin theta? In reciprocal relation, or we know that tan theta will equal to sin theta by cos theta in quotient relation. Okay, let's find out. Sin theta by cos theta. Okay, we have equal to, what is sin now? Sin will be still sin theta. What is your cos theta here? Root over 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta, cos will be the ordinary cos equal to this. Okay, let's keep instead of cos this. Okay, now we're left with sec theta. Sec theta cos theta. Okay, 1 by cos means what is the value of cos theta? 1 minus sin square theta will be your answer. Okay, let's solve question number 10. Determine whether the following equation are identities. Identities means we are going to solve these two will be equal to left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Let's see they are identities or not identities. Okay, we have theta, theta, theta. We can solve in two ways. I'm going to use a trigonometric ratio of angle by taking theta equal to 30 degree. Here, taking theta equal to 30 degree. Cot square 30 degree plus cos 30 degree equal to sin square 30 degree. Sin 30 degree square. Let me write, very simple. Okay, now when we look back, cot 30 degree will be root 3. This is written square, so let us write square. And what is cos 30 degree? We learned that cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. There is no square, on it to write. Sin 30 means 1 by. Okay, let's keep by this. Let's oh yeah, theta. Tam. Okay, now cot 30 degree to root 3. So, we learned that cot 30 degree equal to root 3. Table also never do. Cos 30 degree means root 3 by 2. Formula. So, sin to 1 by 2. Square not to square. Skip by this because of square. Root 3 into root 3 means 3. Root 3 into root 3. Root 2 into root 2. Answer is 3, 2. Okay, plus root 3 by 2 equal to 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Okay, let's taking LCM these two. 2. 2, 3 are 6 plus root 3 equal to 1 by 4. Numerator, denominator. 1 to 2 is 2. 2, 3 are 6. I know there's 1. So keep in mind 1 to root 3 will be root 3 plus plus. Okay. Now we learned that you can cancel 2, 3 are 6. Okay, which is not possible. There is no way to show this equal to 1 by 4. So this is not required. Left hand side is not equal to. Your left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. These equations are not identities. Okay, now we're going to solve question number 11. In the last class, we have already complete 1 up to 5. Now we're going to solve from Roman number 6. Okay, we are given left hand side and right hand side. We're going to solve these following identities. We learned that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. the previous question. So we're going to keep these two together. Let us solve left hand sides. Left hand sides will be equal to 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta by sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay, 1 minus sin square theta, let's keep aside. 1 minus sin square theta, because we know this formula, cos theta. Okay, let us write denominator 1 plus cos theta 1. What is the formula of 1 minus sin square theta? We know that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta plus cos theta sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay, from here we can take common, that is cos exists, so let us take out cos theta. Here cos theta remain. 1 is still remaining. Okay, multiply this cos and cos, you will get cos square theta. And here is plus cos theta into 1 is cos theta. Okay, sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Let us solve here. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta we can cancel. Now we are left with cos theta by sin theta. In Pythagorean relation or quotient relation we have learned that cos by sin means cot, sin by cos mean tan. Here sin mean cot theta, which is equal to right hand side. So left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Okay, now we are going to solve number 7. Naboi utan. Step 1 question. Numerator, denominator. 2 terms between 2 terms, that means there is a plus or minus. You should remember LCM, cosec. Cosec into cosec 2, cosec square theta, plus minus 1 square mean 1. Ini kita mojak natin. Let's go faster. And now we are going to multiply this cross multiplication. Okay, cos theta into cosec theta minus 1 plus cos theta into cosec theta plus 1. Now we can take these two common into cos theta. Okay, cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta plus 1 divided by, we can write cot square theta, because cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta, the formula. Minus plus can cancel. This is 2 times 1 plus 1 means 2. So 2 is, okay, let us know, we can keep cosec also. Okay, let's keep cos theta into cosec theta divided by cot square theta. Now we cannot take common, so let us write this one. 2 cosec theta into cosec theta means reciprocal of 1 by sin theta divided by cot square theta. Okay, now 2 cos theta into 1 is 2 cos theta by sin theta divided by cot square theta. Okay, Let's skip 2. Cos by sine means cot theta. No square, only to keep square. Okay, now. Okay, guess what cot. 2 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta means tan theta. 2 times means 2 tan theta. Right hand side. Here can ball be there. I can't hit him on my in. 2 by cot theta means 2 tan theta. Okay. 2 times means 1 by cot theta plus 1 by cot theta. Still the same this two. So 1 by cot theta means tan theta. This is 2 times. So I just skip 2 times. 2 tan theta. Abon kaya achian chai ai kilwa le hin phan him so jat ding upload na jong hi ha jat ding he jin kin jan na bol tin no thima kan boring hin chui left hand side right hand side hin left hand side can solve the time left hand side go to right hand side okay left hand side now cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. If you to take why do I keep this cos square theta plus sin square theta? What is this answer? What is the use of this one? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, let us cos square theta minus sin square theta. It's no I want umito. Ikimulo bangay. Ikimulo bangay one umintin. There is 1 below this one. So you have to keep in mind not to right. So that 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The formula. So instead of 1 I keep this one. Still the same. And now cos square theta minus sin square theta by, okay, wait, can do like this in simple way. When we divide it by sine or both side or cos, you can get it. Okay, let's multiply with cos theta. I mean cos square theta. This is square. And here also cos square theta. Cos square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta hi cos square theta ka divide chong ka divide once kya hi divided by cos square theta. Now I divided by cos square theta. Why? Question khat me why bisa kan bol ham tiang so question do the ka hin. So the bomb palen be like choki mang ji ham. He ji ki aki man lawa le hin. Ada na solve the lo ham na. Idea pa cho ni vet de. Ai la hin he ji cos divided by cos so is also 1 minus sin by cos 2 times formula ng chang he kumati ni 1 minus sin by cos means tan theta plus me. True? Equal to right side tangga view. Hong ki bang ta ko na. Kinsang na bolte. Nakala ki merji du chu. Hi je pa jong na solve fa pa na so thewe kin je pa ka bola hi je bang ko formula hong pa la hin. Divided by cos la sin na le. Spalin cos an so pa sin na le. Sin square theta minus cos square theta pa le sin and divide. So the merji du he so merji thong mai de ha. Okay, now this is number 9. Sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. We're going to solve this left hand side into right hand side, or right hand side into left hand side. Okay, let's take this left hand side. To solve the right hand side, sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. Here, sin 2 theta square minus cos 2 theta whole square. 4 power 2 to a 4 2 to a 4 2 quay là 2 quay. Nghe thêm được cái tạo sản nhân. Hạ cuối nào chứ. Anh a square minus b square không tạo cho na. A square minus b square cho formula này hết được cái tạo sản nhân. A plus b a minus b sẽ là hết. Đang làm tạo sản nhân a square minus b square is equal to a plus b a minus b into a minus b sẽ là hết. Nó là a cho chỉ b bạn nào chứ. A plus b a minus b. A minus b là chun sin square theta plus cos square theta chu có thể xây dựng tại amatin chu ibang kho mà là 1 cho sao 1 đó into sin square theta minus cos square theta 1 nó thêm kinh số bẹt mình chứ sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to right hand side taking cái bằng từ bẹt ta so left hand side equal to right hand side. So we know that 1 plus 1 by 10 means cos square a. 1 by cos means 10 square a. A formula là gì? Okay, now a formula cho hin 1 by cos 2 cosec square a kit ding 1 by 10 a 2 sec square a. So formula 1 plus cos square a 2 cosec square a ding 1 plus 10 square a 2 sec square a. So formula ka pieces chu na ba so ke di he. He chi class e pa formula chu ama sa ho ni lo wala kan da do ki de ka be. Ale to chu he chu mu ngai lo chu na le. Ala cosec chu 1 by sin lo na le. 1 by square la chu sin square a ta chu na into cho cả chứ sec chu 1 by cos square a lo 1 by cos square a plus 1 by 10 square a chu cos square a chu 1 by cos square a chu 10 square a chu ta chu là sao na abona 1 by cos square a chu sec square a chu formula man chang 1 by 10 chu sec ki ji ha di formula chu formula he so ke di pas idea hum ta chu cosec square a chu 1 by sin a ka into sec chu 1 by cos a chu ane 1 by sec sin square a ka ta chu 1 by cos square a chu cos square da ho vele chu he chu so rum thelo pi chu cos square chu 1 minus sin square a chu formula chu Pythagorean relation na na ane cha chu chi ama kila chu no ko ta chu na 1 to 1 chu 1 ta chu sin chu ta trong hệ nó quay lại ta ta cả into mia chu 1 by sin square a into 1 is sin square a minus sin to sin chu sin 4a to là 4 cha em sao là in gì là thấu điều ít kia là thấu điều tài left hand side chu ni chu pa hin ni chu right hand side hin left hand side pa right hand side so điều hin cái gì học ta chứ taจะ clear đi đó na ale cha hi ta tu chu for ho ma 6 so ma no khan cha ma te ne 1 pa chu langai na plus ding 1 pa chu ma na ho 1 plus 10 square h chi da chu plus chu chi ta 1 dan pa chu 1 plus square h chi da chu ta chu ka ke ding 1 plus 10 square h chu 6 square h chi plus hi 1 by cos square h chu cosec square a 1 plus 10 square a means 6 square a 10 means 6 cos means cosec. Okay, now sec reciprocal to cos h plus cosec square to 1 by sin square a chu formula ngan chang tin ama ho to bang pa le hin LCM la ni ti ba chu LCM ma den ji ha ta chu cross multiplication na boarding LCM na ji ha ta ma den into ta aka into chu amatin into zawahi sin square into 1 is sin square a pana plus cos square into 1 is cos square a consequently sin square a plus cos square a to 1 amatin is hadi abana hi 1 by 1 dinga jong amai hi 1 dinga jong amai common ama dinga mai hi ama dinga jong hi aum dan hi uchai ho na ma ta zo yong le na pa dinga jong chen nu ông ba thì ngày ông tập bằng thế na, ta số 1 by cos square a to sec square a formula, ta sẽ số 1 by cos square a to sec square a thì na, anh em, bạn na chú 1 by sin square a to 1 by sin chỉ phải một cái cosec, chỉ bằng chú cosec square a cosec square a, lại hi into ya chú, tao into, lại hi into, số ta. Okay, now 12 ne veote. H cube here. Sin cube a cos cube a by sin a plus cos a equal to 1 minus sin a cos a. To left hand side, to right hand side. Let us solve this left hand side and so right hand side. I have written out. Is it out? A cube plus b cube. A formula 2. A plus b ci pai naman dito. A square plus a square minus ab plus b square. Ci formula hi a plus b cube formula. A plus b a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b na ci a ci b a plus b. Ka into a square means the a to sin a. Square dia to square na pa. Formula minus in minus. Na nga a into b. Na a to sin a din cos din. Sin a cos a. Pala plus na b square to cos a cos square a. Divided by formula में है ilaya sin square a plus cos square a जो का कोई ला एंटिन minus कला एंटिन abana sin a cos a umdana abana hi la numerator la sin a plus cos a to sin a plus cos a ko me cancel li so phala chun sin square a plus cos square a to minus sin a cos a de ta chu abana hi sin square a plus cos square a cho 1 here pana 1 minus sin a cos a hang da so call the right hand side hang da okay cha point of pen left hand side right hand side. We're going to prove left hand side equal right hand side. Now I keep left hand side. Okay, plus my plus 3 times. Okay, we're going to rationalize this one. Rationalize means changing the last term. Here, minus will become plus. F keep up. It's a pi na si hata so khatve. Into no coiding 1 plus cos ta na coiding. Minus 2 plus ke so din si pa na ko ito. Rationalize na. So la na. Ale amate ni hi ki bangchat aya bana chu into kamya chu square ba bai 2 into 2 yang ko 2 square se ne chu sta bangche chu 2 to 4 2 square na abana hi 1 plus cos ta ni ya chu square ka pai minus plus minus din jo sin into le sin square ta sanin abana a plus b plus c square to a square plus twice a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca formula aumle mana chu a plus b square to a plus twice ab plus b square minus c sin square da na abana hi aga chu ka se phenomenon a plus b plus c square to a square ka tin 1 square to 1 b to b cos square cos ta hi b square to ta le cos into cos to cos square ta c ta le sin square ta so ne ke na che da ma ta sama ma che ding abana hi lai vele chun 1 pa chu 1 ta chu abana hi cos sin square ta plus cos square ta chu 1 abana chu che ka ji da le aba si se chana amate ni 1 in chỉ bài cho không sẽ có gì đó đi chứ không phải là chữ 1 to 1 theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 plus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, cos square theta kaji minus kaji sin square theta so 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta no male 1 minus sin square theta. Chune he bana diyo 1 plus 1 chu ra 2. Aya 2 pa hi 2 cos theta hi che 2 cos theta hi pa hi into sin theta bana plus 2 sin theta as he 2 sin theta by 1 sai bây giờ chừng 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus no itu ku ibola lai minus umalaya plus umam tine boilo minus into 1 is minus 1 minus 2 plus is aquí me la chita acá ai tu como en el otro tu me sí como en el otro ai 2 1 is 2 cha plus who plus 2 costa 2 into costa mate ni chika ta into ju ma po abana ho 2 sin theta la 2 sin theta mate ni ju common in 2 sin theta ado tam 2 sin theta la do la pim tam spa cos theta na 2 sin theta into cos theta 2 sin theta cos theta ke cha ana plus 2 sin theta into 1 is 2 sin theta pana civic level 2 cos theta ta so plus 2 cos theta 2 cos square theta ichi ya plan ne ra ta ta ka hi chu mya kha be khil ki ni chi se phala ane chai vela chun 1 plus cos theta kala das ko mana 2 ta 2 ko kai plus 2 sin theta kai das 2 cos theta como na kala do chun ta 2 cos theta ne kala do ale 2 cos theta into 1 is 2 cos theta plus 2 cos theta into cos theta 2 theta cos la cos ba cos square theta na abala ya chu matin hi kes la le 2 plus 2 sin theta 2 common ro ke ta 2 1 is 2 plus 2 sin theta spa sin theta bana cha vele ki chun che kes la che bo ta na le ko ya abana tu 2 kes la te pim ta 1 plus sin theta by cos theta tos lai ka pa chi bo le bo de ho se la an bo ro to de ho se la đây chân nơi nung pa chung pa chui hết thêm được ta sanin ở nơi nung pa hi 2 cos theta plus 2 cos square theta an muai chi je pa hai na hi je muai piti mon vet de ta nga bol te hai lai kai ale hin 2 cos theta ka si ta chu pa minus 1 le plus 1 cancel ta chu amala cos square theta ni vem juna plus juna sin de chu sa chu 2 cos square theta hong do a chi ja wa chu ma te ni chu bo pina 2 cos theta la do a 1 is the plus la cos theta ni chu ki bang bang he 2 cos theta into 1 is 2 cos theta plus 2 ju 2 ta na le 2 cos to cos into le cos square theta la ka chu